In the meantime, relatives of the victims and those who face the courts today are responding to the sentences handed down in the respective cases. While some were put off to a later date, others were given various sentences, some of which are seen as a travesty. TVJ's Herman Green has that report.
The sentences, which varied from 15 years to probationary with psychiatric counseling, were handed down on Friday after the accused all pleaded guilty as part of the Sentence Reduction Day initiative of the Justice Ministry. But relatives of the victims have varying reactions to the sentences. For Casey Ann Wilson, the sister of Kerry Ann Wilson, who was killed by her common-law husband Philip Brown at Crystal Towers in St. Andrew, the sentence is not fair.
I'm not pleased. I'm not pleased at all. It's not fair. I don't accept that.
Casey Ann said she did not attend the sentencing as it was too much for her, with the killing still fresh in her mind. She instead waited outside until the details were relayed to her after. She sees it as a slap in the face for her family.
15 years for the gruesome murder there. Him actually planned it. The system not fair. The system not ready at all. They need to come again. The family is, oh God, our son, he might feel it the most, our daughter, my family members, all know we in shock about the whole situation. It's been a year and it's like it's yesterday. So it's sad, it's very sad.
Lorna Williamson, who was charged with stealing a baby from the University Hospital of the West Indies, was sentenced to 3 years probation with psychiatric counseling over the period. The father of the baby, Milton Maxwell Felix, says because he and his wife, Angel, got back their baby safely, he now feels sympathy towards Miss Williamson. But the law is the law.
The court, the government and law what is given, that is a country, is Jamaican rules and regulation, as far as Jamaican rules and regulation. But I feel bad, I'll pray for her. The Bible said it's forgiveness, it's a good thing. So before I told them, I forgive her.
Philip Brown and Lorna Williamson are two of the 14 accused who were in the Home Circuit Court on Friday after pleading guilty as part of the Justice Ministry's Sentence Reduction Initiative. However, Casey Ann believes the initiative should not be applied to all cases, as it robs the victims and their families of justice.
On this case, no, not this case. It may be some cases, but not this case. No. Some cases, but it's not fair for my sister and other people who have lost their loved ones so gruesomely. It could work for other cases, like some little other cases, but not this case. This was planned.
Herman Green, TVJ News.